There you go.
Is that a cake?
Yep.
Ooh, I love me some cake. I love me some cake with frosting and the strawberries.
Do you like?
Yum yum yum
Do
yum
you
yum.
like protein powder?
Oh, protein powder. I love the protein powder because I work out my muscles so much. Okay, what else? What else you got? What else?
Do you want a piece of cup?
Did you say a cup? Did you say, do I want a cup in my mouth?
Yep.
No, I don't want a cup in my mouth.
Do you want waffles?
Oh, waffles. Let me smell. Oh.
Ow, you bite my finger.
That's pretty good. What else you got?
I have fish.
Where's that fish?
Yeah.
Is this a tuna in a can? Is this a tuna?
Yeah.
They're very good, almost like a how do you say this is the like a sardine. That's what you call a sardine in a can. What else you got?
We have broccoli.
Broccoli. Ew. What else you got?
I have mushroom.
Nope.
Do you want a lollipop?
No lollipop in my mouth, please.
Do you want orange?
No, I don't like orange. Thank you.
Do you want?
I know sick. Thank you though.
Do you want some this?
No, that's like a potato masher. Me don't like potato mashers in my mouth. What else? What else you got?
We have this.
Oh, is that a pear?
Yep.
I love pears. Yes.
Do you want some lemon?
No.
Do you want some scuba divers?
A scuba diver, that's a scuba of a spatula. Me no like a scuba of a spatula. Thank you very much to get it out of my mouth. I like a real food, please.
Do you want some turkey?
Oh, that's turkey bacon. Yum. I love it, turkey bacon. Give me some more. Do you have more?
Yeah.
Oh, you do have more turkey bacon. Yum. Yeah, more turkey bacon.
We don't have some.
Oh, what? You don't have more turkey bacon? Oh,
No, you don't have any more. We only have 2 pairs.
Oh.
We have popcorn.
Popcorn. Give me popcorn. Hey, this ain't popcorn. Maybe it's kind of popcorn. It's kind of like corn in the cup, so it's kind of like popcorn. Thank you. I love it.
Do you want some capitals?
It could have used a little
Do you want cap?
It could have used a little tapatio.
Do you want some cap?
Maybe a little bit of butter, but it's okay. It's good. What's this? No, I don't like this. This don't have no spell. I'm good.
Do you want some orange?
Oh, orange. Yum. No good.
Do you want some spoons?
Oh, spoons. Yes, I love the spoons in my mouth. Delicious spoons. It's gonna make the food go down so easier. Cause it's gonna stir it all up in my stomach. Ah!
Oh, we do.
Ah!